pretties. I am Priyamaka and you are watching Hair Vibes. I hope everyone are doing super great, and if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the further notification of my videos. This video is about the basic things we all need to start our own self-portrait journey, right? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, if you want to start doing your self-portrait or self-photography, you just need some basic things. So let's talk about them. So the basic thing you need is phone. Phone is very important to start your own self-portrait journey, because without your phone, how you will click your own pictures, right? So you should have your own phone. If you don't own a phone also, you can use your mama or papa ka phone. It's completely fine. And if you have doubt ki Priya, but my phone quality is not good, and no need to worry about the quality, you're the beginner, so just do with the things you have around you. And next thing is light source. So Priya, from where do you get light source? I get light source from ring light. Now also I'm using ring light, but if you're a beginner, I just want to suggest that just do it natural light. No need to invest on ring light. When you feel like, yeah, now it's time to invest in ring light, then yeah, you can invest in ring light. But as you are a beginner, then just do with the sunlight, or else during sunset they will work just best. Okay. And the other thing is tripod. If you're wondering where and how I keep my phone, then no need to worry about it all. We are Indians and we have the best jugaad ever. So just we get some cardboard kind of boxes from like Nike, Amazon, Flipkart. You just use those boxes, and also a table. Just place the table on top of the cardboard, the box or whatever you are using, and then place your phone and just start clicking your own pictures. We greatly known how jugaad. So yeah, do jugaad. I just want to suggest that no need to invest on a tripod if you're a beginner, and just do practice with the things you have around. Now let's talk about the main thing, background or backdrop. Many of you think ki yaar mere paas to background nahi hai, how I will start? See guys, I don't have any backdrop, okay? I'm using this wall. So use your wall. If you don't have the proper wall, then use curtains, or else you can use door ka background, door or anything, or else use your mama ka sari. They always work best. And also you can do like some of the self-portraits like I did, under staircase and on staircase and under dining table, like I did there, because I was like, where to do? I don't have a proper background, but I do have a background. I always shoot here only, no need to worry about background. I again suggest that no need to invest on a backdrop. Then the main thing in self-portrait, the most thing in self-portrait is subject, and you are the subject yourself. Whenever you try to do self-portrait, so please don't cover your face with your hair or hands like this, because you are the subject and you are the main, and if you are covering your own face, then how it will work? So we discussed about ring light, tripod, backdrop, phone, the main thing, and the subject you yourself. Okay, these are the main 5 things you need to consider before starting. Else you already do self-portrait, but you don't know that these are the main things. So you have to keep in mind these 5 things, okay? And in the starting, I said we will discuss about the quality of the phone. So let's discuss about it now. So guys, if you're doing any self-portrait, I said the main 5 things. They are main. You are clicking and you are getting picture. But if you don't edit them in a proper right way, or you can say a right manner, then your whole self-portrait will be so bad, I can say. If you want me to do any editing video, then please comment down below. I would love to do editing video for you all. I already posted a reel about editing. You can watch it in my IG. So now let's discuss about the quality. Guys, if you don't get the proper quality of picture, then no need to worry. As I said, editing is the game changer. It will completely turn your picture to a good, beautiful picture. And See, if you have a very bad quality, like if your picture is so blurred out, then no need to worry. Just give a little bit of brains to your image while you edit. Okay, don't give so much of brains to your picture if your picture is blurred out. And if your picture is okay, fine, very well, then you can give graining to 39 to 40 like that. Otherwise, if your picture is blurred out, then I just suggest just give little bit of braining while you edit your picture, and it will completely change your picture. And I hope this video is helpful and useful and yeah, informative you all, and I hope you love this video. If you love this video, please give big thumbs up to this video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with good videos related to self-portrait and fashion. I hope you people will support me to grow much more. And I don't know, my voice is just jerking, I don't know why, but it's okay. I hope this video is so helpful and useful and informative for you all. And if you love this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down what kind of videos you would love to watch on my channel, on this channel, Hair Vibes. And yeah, till next video, take care, bye bye.